So today we have to study the engineering survey of highway location. It involves mainly 4 stages: map study, reconnaissance, preliminary survey, final location and detailed survey. First one is map study. In India, topic maps are available with the Survey of India. These maps should be analyzed well to choose alternative routes. Alignment can be located on map from following details available on the map. Alignments should avoid valleys, ponds or lakes. When the road has to cross a row of hill, possibility of crossing through a mountain pass, then approximate location of bridge site for crossing rivers should avoid the bend of river if it contains. When a road is to be connected between two stations, one on the top and other on foot of the hill, alternative routes can be suggested keeping in view of permissible gradient. From the map study, alternative routes can be suggested. Map study gives a route guidance of route to be surveyed in the field for further study. Next stage is reconnaissance. This is the second stage of survey for highway located. To examine general characteristics of area for deciding the most feasible route for detailed study. A field survey party may be inspect a fairly broad sketch of land along proposed alternative route of map in the field. We have to use simple instruments like a Bini level, tangent, clinometer, barometer, etc. Now, the details to be conducted during the reconnaissance: valley, ponds, lakes, marshy land, ridge, hills, permanent structures and other obstructions along the route which are not available in map. Approximate value of gradient, length of the gradient and radius of curve of alternate alignment. Number and type of cross drainage structure, maximum flood level and nature groundwater level along the probable routes. Soil type along the routes from field identification, test and observation of geological features. The sources of construction material, water and location of stone quarries. When a road passes through hilly terrain, additional data regarding the geological formation, type of rock, dip of strata, seepage flow, etc. may be observed so as to decide suitable, stable and unstable sites of hill for highway alignment. Third stage is preliminary survey. The main objective of this survey is to survey the various alternate alignments proposed after reconnaissance and to collect all necessary physical information and details of topography, then the drainage and soil. Another objective is to compare the different proposals. Third one is to estimate quantity of earthwork to calculate the cost alternative proposal. Finally, to finalize best alignment from all the considerations. In preliminary survey is conducted to carry out to collect all the physical information which are necessary in connection with proposed highway alignment. There are mainly two methods of preliminary survey. First one is conventional approach and second one is modern rapid approach. Now, about the location survey, a center line of the road is finalized. Major and minor control points are then established. Center pegs are driven to check the geometric design requirements. And finally, center line stakes are driven at suitable intervals. Detailed survey has to be conducted to get more details. Temporary benchmark has to be fixed. Levels along final center line should be taken. And finally, leveling work has to be conducted. The cross-section levels are driven up to the desired width. Topographical details are noted using conventional sign. Detailed survey is carried to enable drawing of the soil profile, that is CBR test for design. Thank you.